In this presentation, we will explore the concept of offline-first design. This is about creating systems that are fully functional even without an active internet connection. Think of applications that can continue to operate smoothly, allowing users to interact with them seamlessly, regardless of their connectivity status. Offline-first is a design approach where applications are built to work primarily offline. The application stores data locally and synchronizes with a remote server when connectivity becomes available. This ensures that users can continue to use the app and access their data, even without an internet connection. The offline-first approach is based on two core principles. First is local storage first. This means that all data is primarily stored locally on the device. Background synchronization then ensures that this local data is kept consistent with the server. Second is instant response. The user interface should respond immediately to user actions, as all interactions are handled locally, without waiting for a network response. The offline-first approach brings several key benefits. First, better performance. Since the application works with local data, there is no network latency for core operations, resulting in a faster and more responsive user experience. Second, it works everywhere. Offline-first applications function seamlessly even in areas with poor or no network connectivity, ensuring that users can always access their data and continue working. Offline-first applications rely on local storage technologies to manage data. One such technology is IndexedDB, which is a NoSQL database suitable for storing structured data. It is useful for complex queries in large datasets. Another one is SQLite, which is a relational database often used for mobile applications. It supports ACID transactions and allows for structured query language, or SQL queries. To keep local and remote data consistent, offline-first applications employ different synchronization strategies. One strategy is event sourcing, where all changes to the application state are stored as a sequence of events, which can then be replayed to rebuild the state. Another strategy is conflict-free replicated data types, also known as CRDTs. These data types allow concurrent updates without the need for coordination, as they can be merged automatically without conflicts. When synchronizing data between local and remote storage, conflicts can arise. Here is an example of a last-writer-wins strategy written in Python. In this strategy, the most recent update is prioritized. The resolve conflict function compares the timestamps of local and remote data and returns the data with the latest timestamp. The merge changes function applies the changes from the winning data to the base data. To effectively implement offline-first applications, consider the following implementation patterns. First is the repository pattern. This abstracts the data access layer, providing a unified interface for accessing both local and remote data sources. Another one is the sync queue, which queues pending operations and automatically retries failed synchronizations, ensuring that all data is eventually synchronized when connectivity is available. Offline-first design is valuable in numerous real-world use cases. Travel applications can provide access to boarding passes and itineraries, even during flights or in remote areas. Field data collection can enable researchers to conduct surveys in remote locations and synchronize the data when they return to the office. While offline-first design offers many benefits, it also presents challenges. Storage limitations on devices can be a constraint. To address this, implement data pruning strategies to remove unnecessary data. Another challenge is battery usage, as background synchronization can consume significant power. Optimize the synchronization frequency and use batching to minimize battery drain. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.